Hi, this is Quinn at Impeccabilities, and today I'm going to show you how to ship a fulfill engine order. So I'm in the fulfillment tab that you can get to from the main page here on the production side. And then I'm going to go to mark produced, take our scanner, and I'm going to scan the QR code. So it's going to ask for a quality check. So we've already checked both prints on this. We know that they're good. So I'm going to look at it, and this is where you'll check, the placement, the colors. So we're going to pass the front and we're going to pass the back. And because this is just a single piece order, it generated our shipping label to ship it. If there were multiple pieces, it would say put this in bin 1 or bin 2 or whatever, and then once that last piece of the order is done, then it will tell you to ship it and print that shipping label. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our shirt here, put it into a poly mailer, I'm going to take one of our thank you stickers and put this up on the top left. And put our shipping label on, and then it's ready to ship.